Alrighty, Dan, here's your 363 small block Ford. Give description of this combination. It has got AFR cylinder heads on it. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Obviously, it's a Borla stack injection. And it looks like it's for a GT40 with the front end on it and everything. We got AFI coming out the front and everything to make it easier. It's got our custom valve covers. Pretty nice. Got the period correct oil pan. Make sure the alternator's charging for you. We'll go in there and make a run, show you how she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, Dan, 3800, it's 403 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 455, really flat in there, and peaks horsepower 516, rate of 530, front end's about 15, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean for you, and I'm going to show you one other thing. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, there'll be this little card, looks like a credit card, something of that nature. It's a USB card full of information. It's got all your build specifications, a lot of tech tips. So really recommend plugging in and looking at it. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. The other thing, on the engine, there'll be this tag. Kind of give you some valve lash, oil capacity, whether it's internal, external balance, things of that nature. So make sure you hold on to that tag. Now, we'll go out and see how clean the exhaust is. Stay tuned.